Hi everyone. I want us to start trying to do pair work activities like we do in class, only distance, pair work activities. So if these don't work, you can print them out and then just do them via FaceTime. But this would be a way to do them using Zoom. And so here's some directions on how to do that. And so I'm looking at doing activities like Connect 4, Battleship, or Guess Who. And what I'll do is I'll share the boards with you on a Google Doc, and then we can use Zoom or some other teleconferencing tool to do them. So if you're using Zoom, you're going to want to start a meeting, host a meeting, and you could do it with video on or video off. It won't matter. I'll do it with video on so you can all see my messy room, open Zoom meetings. And then to invite some people, you'll hit Manage Participants and Invite, and you can invite them via email or you can just send them the link by hitting Copy Invitation. Using that, you can send them the information. So I'll join myself. I'll pause the video for a minute and get myself joined in via my phone. All right, so I've joined via phone and I'll hit Admit to let myself in. And soon we'll have my two favorite people in to play the game. Boss, look at that. All right. Next, what you're going to do is hit record because you want a record of this to show to me that you did the activity. Okay? After you've hit record, you're going to hit share screen and choose screen, not any specific window, but choose screen because you're going to have two windows open to play Connect 4. And what we're going to do is go to Schoology, Panda class, today, Connect 4 board and directions. Get this out of the way, we'll open it in a new window. All right, we have our Connect 4, two boards. So I will be A and myself will be B. And when we roll a 1, I will say 我是小学生. I am an elementary school student, and I will cover up one of these kids playing with paste back when they were still happy. And if I roll a 2, I will say 我是初中学生, and I will cover up one of these middle school students who is just starting to realize how much life is difficult. And when I roll a 3, I will say 我是高中学生, and I will cover up one of these kids here with the backwards hat who has way too much homework. And if I roll a 4, I will say 我是大学生. I am a college student, and he's standing here because he's now free because college is the bomb. And if I roll a 5, I will say 我, one of the types of school, 毕业了. I've graduated, and I get to cover all of the type of school I've rolled. If I roll a 6, I say 你辍学了. You dropped out of school, and I get to cross out permanently. Even if it's already covered, I get to cross out permanently one of those squares on my opponent's board, and they can never get a Connect 4 through there. Now, we obviously need a dice. So what I'm going to do is I've slid my board over here. Now I'm going to get a dice. And to do that, I'm just going to go to Google and search dice roller. We could use this one, but it takes up a lot of the screen. So I'm going to go to dice roller random. That one's the smallest one I found. Minimize it as much as I can, where I can still see the dice. We only need one die. Roll die. A 3. Okay, so I will go first because I'm better than her, and I rolled a 3. What you're going to do is click Annotate, and then when you want to write on top of the screen, you can hit Draw, and it actually lets you write little squares or little circles, just like chips. So that's what I'm going to do. I rolled a 3, so I say 我是高中学生, and I'm going to cover up, always play to the middle. 我是高中学生. Bam. And now, you can't see, but on her screen, it shows up as well. Magic. Okay? Now it's her turn. Now, my partner, she can't roll the dice because she doesn't have control of the screen, so I click on mouse, and I'll roll for her. And she rolled a 5. Oh, dang, she's going to kill me. So draw. Oh, no, it's her turn, so she gets to draw. On a phone, you just tap the screen, and the little pen pops up. And you choose your color and your thickness. And she's rolled a 5, so she says, 我是 大学生. Ah, she's going to get me. And you can see on the screen what she's colored in has popped up. It is my turn again, so I hit roll again. And I rolled a 2. No help there. 我是初中学生. And draw. 初中学生. Okay. Whoops. And so on until someone gets it. Then when you're done, to stop the screen share, you hit stop share. You'll hit pause recording. That's when it's done. And that will finish loading. And you can end the meeting. We'll see how this works. The dice makes it a little more complicated. When we do guess who, it'll be a lot more entertaining. And again, if this doesn't work, you can just print it out and record yourselves on FaceTime with your phone. You don't have to record your faces or even the screen, just the audio, because that's what I care about most, hearing you say these sentences.